Hey you guys, so I actually was supposed to record this quite a long time ago, but both me and my sister got busy. We were gonna record this together, but things happen, life happens. Anyway, without further ado, today we're gonna be unboxing Jazza's Jazzy art box. I keep wanting to call it Arty art box, not Arty art box. Where'd I put my... I brought scissors over here. Did I bring the there they are. Got the scissors. Okay. So most of you probably have seen what's in it already, so let's just get into the box. I'm excited to see his cutout face. Wow. Oh my god, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Oh my god, that's like bigger than my head, I think. Oh, wow. Anyway, in we go. It's a little thank you card. The limited print tells you everything that's on there. Well, here's 30% off the first order. It's probably already expired, honestly. When did this even come out? This came to me. When did this come? Why can't I read shipping labels? Okay. Why do all labels have to be different? Yay! 2019, 8th month, 3rd day. Wow. I've had this for a long time. 8th month, August 3rd. What's that? Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Anyway, here's a very stretched out bookmark that everyone was talking about. Come on, don't focus on my face. No one wants to see that. There we go, the stretched out bookmark. And then the beautiful print. Oh. Add that to my print collection. Oh, it's a little, there's a little bit of a denty on the bottom, but you know, c'est la vie, whatever. Okay, here we have the Signo Uniball, which I personally love. I use this all the time. Way better than the Jelly Roll, even though I love Sakura. Something about this is just more opaque. We have a Tombow dual brush, or dual nib rather, brush on one end, little nibby nib on the other. It's water based, so you could do probably some cool washes with that. A basic pencil for basic people. So, well, I lied, not basic, it's a color erase one. I totally forgot about that. I was like, why is there just like a basic pencil? So I'm actually used to not color erase, but the photo blue where you just scan it into the computer and, you know, you don't see the lines. I use that in school a lot. A Faber-Castell dust-free eraser. Nothing special to see there, it's just a white eraser. Actually, for my recommendation, I get black erasers. I don't know if it's just because I think they work better or they actually do, but I much prefer the black ones for whatever reason. This lead pencil was like, what's the name for this? Lead pencil or sharp pencil, whatever. In 0.5. No eraser. Hopefully you can buy replacements for that. I prefer personally a 0.3 pencil, but you know, 0.5 is just one step up kind of, so it's okay. I like it has a bit of a weight, but it's not too heavy. The top is weighted more, so that's nice. It's a nice little metal. Some fine liner graphics. So cute. With a nice little illustration on the front. Are these all just black? Cute. Yeah, 4 times, so I'm assuming they're all black. And it comes in 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, and a brush. And if you don't know this about me, I love pointillism, so these are gonna die really quick. Then we have a nice combo sign pen. And this one is, oh, it's a sign pen, so I'm assuming it's pretty thin, and it's for your name, I assume. And then, ooh, the coveted Faber-Castell Polychromos. My sister loves these pencils. She has like the huge set of them. Like one day maybe, but I also don't really like colored pencils that much. Don't come at me. Just, I haven't tried them with like baby oil or like linseed oil to like blend them out, but just remember nightmares from high school, just having to stay up all night, just anyway, I've never been a huge fan of that. I was always into more like acrylic and like markers and pointillism and anything that doesn't involve this, but maybe these will change my mind. I've only used Prismacolor, and sorry anyone that likes them, but they're not my favorite. They're always breaking on me. Every time. Then we have the pencil case. And one thing about the pencil case, I'm sure some people have pointed this out by now, but when most people started reviewing this pack, they didn't mention the freaking button here that like keeps your stuff closed. Like, wait a second, let me even open it. Like the zipper has a little buttony thing here. Stop focusing on my face, nobody cares. There we go. It has a little like button clasp thing, so your zipper ain't flying around and everything falling out like that. Like, do you want this to happen to your pencils in your bag if it unzips for some odd reason? No, you do not. So this will, if it wants to zip up, because it has something attached, get out there, price tag. You zip this up, and yeah, snap it shut, and then, oh look, it's not gonna come undone. It's gonna fly wherever it wants. So I really like that, and I wish more people had mentioned it before. Unfortunately, you can't get this box anymore, but you can obviously buy the supplies if you like them at all. Will be a bit more expensive, I assume, possibly, I don't know. And you won't get the beautiful artwork or the giant head, but like, I'd recommend this pencil case because you don't know how many times stuff has been flying around my case. Bleh. You don't know how many times stuff has flown out of my pencil kit on the way to college or university now, I guess, whatever, and just made my backpack dirty, and then you go to grab something else and there's lead all over your hands, especially if you have like charcoal or something. It's a mess. It's a mess. And then next we have the Illustrator by Spectrum Noir. There was a Spectrum markers too before, but anyway, Spectrum Noir, and with the beautiful little Jazza face on it. Anyway, it's so beautiful, and it's like, you can feel it. You can feel the difference. Does he squeak? Nope. But yeah, it's nice and kind of raised. It's not really smooth to touch, actually. It's kind of like your finger stops there. Anyway, I'm excited to try these out. I am a Copic person, but I heard that the brush on these is a lot nicer. It's not too soft, not too firm. Well, everyone knows by now, Jazza tested it and asked for like some improvements, and he really liked this. I do understand that he gave a mix of colors so you can layer. One thing I will say about that is when you layer it up, it will like use up the marker quicker, so that's why there's a lot of shades of markers. And I'm not sure if these are refillable. I'll have to check, and then I'll put like a little at the bottom here, but if they're not refillable, that's one really big downside to them, because having this few colors, like I understand, yes, you can make amazing pieces with only a few markers, but unless you have refills available for people, that's a lot of money buying the new cartridge. I mean, to be honest, you could fill this with Copic refills, but yeah. Anyway, do what you want. Here's an Express It blending card, and I know a lot of people use these. I heard they are quite expensive, so if you're gonna use this, use it for good stuff. And then finally, we have this Hanamule, I believe. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but sketchbook. It's made in Germany, so there's a little bookmark in it too. So you can kind of figure out where you are, and it's 90 pounds, which is pretty good. 80 pages. I mean, is 90 pounds good? 90 pounds is like decent. Like it's a good. What am I saying? 90 pounds is good. I'm just used to watercolor paper, okay? That's like 120 pounds. Anyway, so that's it for the supplies in here. Maybe I'll make another video using all of them. Who knows? This is technically an art supply too. When you go to art school, you gotta get creative, so. So again, just recap. We got the book, sketchbook, Express It, blending cards, which I believe was one of the bonus items, markers, where's my beautiful pencil kit, which I'll put the stuff in later, polychromos, my sister's favorite, like mixing this up with my art stuff from Omomo that I never posted. Might post that after this, because this one is much more overdue. Graphics fine liners, a nice dust-free eraser. I mean, we'll test that out later too. A Tombow sign pen, another Tombow pen but water-based, and lastly, the Signal Uniball white gel white pigment ink. And oh yeah, and then the bookmark and the print, beautiful print, as well as Jazza's beautiful face, and a thank you card, and a supply list. So if anyone's like curious about the supplies, just show you that there if it wants to even focus on that. There we go. Yeah, so there's the supplies if you're more curious about them. Anyway. Oh! Ha! I lied. The lead pencil and the pencil. Yeah, those are the last two items. Haha. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to. I'm not gonna make you. I also have posted some videos for people learning English. Again, I don't know what to do with those, because what does anyone want to see? No one ever comments. Please comment, please like, please do anything. I'm lonely here. I sit in my room. Look at the amount of manga I have, okay? I am a lonely person. Please communicate with me. Anyway, see you guys.